Hey everybody, it's Kevin with All Star Medical, and today we want to show you the Go folding scooter by Pride Mobility. We've started getting a lot of inquiries about the folding scooters, so today we're going to go over the Go folding scooter and the Snap N Go. First one here is made by Pride. It has a 250-pound weight capacity. I'll kind of show you in here. You can kind of see you got your key, your speed, your horn, and you have an LED light that you can see that's right here and also on the back end. So if you are out and about at nighttime, works really well. Got your charging port back here at the back, which is easy accessible. One of the nice features about this, it has a 250-pound weight capacity, and you also have the ability to do standard batteries and lithium batteries. Lithium batteries will last a lot longer. The biggest thing that everybody asks about is how's it fold. So, quick example. Take this right here, hold this up, take this, and raise it up. There's your fold. So, really easy to move around once it's up there. You can actually add armrests to this, and I'll show you that when I pull it back down, but as far as unfolding it, there's this lever right here. You take that, folds, take the front end and click, and then you're locked back in place. So overall, I think the weight is right at 55 pounds. So it's one piece of 55 pounds. That can be a factor for some people because 55 pounds can still be a lot, but the compactability is really what the key is here. You have somewhat of a limited adjustability. You can adjust the front tiller up and down. You can't move it in or out, so that is a factor. You can't do any seat adjustments, so you don't have that benefit that you do on regular scooters where the seat can maybe be raised up or down or something of that nature. But again, it's a really good scooter. We've sold a lot of these, and we get a lot of people asking about it. So we have the ability for you to come in and try it out and sit in it and see if it actually works for you. You've got your standard tiller with the handles. So you've got ready to go forward, black to put into reverse. It does have a really tight turning radius. One of the nice things about it is it's technically a 3-wheel, but it has these 2 front wheels right here. So it has good stability and a really, really tight turning radius. Also has these anti-tipper bars underneath for a little bit of extra stability. So a great scooter that we've done a lot of, and you know, Pride is a great company that always puts out great products. Last little feature on here that a lot of people don't realize, most all these scooters have some form of putting it into drive or neutral. This is just basically a way to engage or disengage the motor. So neutral, I would be able to take and push it around. When it's in drive, obviously that's to put it in gear and to drive it. So that's your Fold and Go by Pride Mobility. Next one here I'm going to show you is the Snap N Go. This has been a really popular unit. We've been carrying this for about 5 to 6 months now. I'll pull up, show you how everything works here. Right here, you'll see I can hold this top button and the LED screen lights up. That also turns on the front light here and the rear light in the back. You've got your battery life, everything that you need right there to see. You can actually adjust the speed to 2 different levels. So you can go up 1, 2, and 3. 1's around the house, 2 and 3. I brought this with me because honestly the speed actually can go up to, you can go from 3 to 4.5 to 6 miles an hour. Has about a 15-mile battery range. I always tell people to be careful when you look at that 15-mile battery range, whether it's Pride or any manufacturer, because a lot of it has to do with the terrain that you're dealing with and how much the individual weighs. This product here has a 300-pound weight capacity, and the difference in the handles as far as driving here is you drive forward with this one and you reverse with this one. So a little bit different. It does have a brake to lock it in place. What I like about it, this is the lightest portable one that I know of on the market. When it's all said and done, you take this seat off, which weighs 15 pounds. It has a post that you unlock. You can slide in place right here. You take this tiller, lean it forward, oops, lean it forward, hold it down. Has a handle so you can carry it around. So this right here, all weight said and done, is 29 pounds. So this is a really, really lightweight system that can easily be put in there. Add the seat, another 15, so you're not dealing with a lot of weight. But that's a nice little feature that you can flip it up and raise that up and you know, to drag it along, say if you're in an airport or something of that nature, or hotel. Snaps right back in place. Here's your battery. You can actually turn everything on and off with this switch here. This key is actually to lock this battery where somebody couldn't take it off or it wouldn't just fall off. So that's what that key is actually for, is to lock that in. Literally just plugs in right here. Take this, drop this, line this up right there. Another feature that I failed to mention when we were sitting here is it does have the option for you to take and adjust the seat length. So I can take the seat length forward or backwards and still get a balance. And I also have the ability to turn this around and spin out. So if I want to get out a little easier, get in a little easier, I can do that. You also have a cup holder right here. And, you know, probably given pros and cons about all these, one of the biggest things that we've seen, this is a bamboo wood. It's really strong, but some people haven't liked that. You know, it's about the same strength when it comes down to plastic and everything else, but it's not, you know, what people are used to. So they're a little, you know, look at it a little differently than maybe they do the plastic, but we've had no problems with that holding up. It's worked out really well. The biggest thing is the portability. When it comes down to it, these two scooters are really portable. They work out really well. And again, we have these in store. So you can come by All Star Medical in Hermitage, Franklin. You can order them online at allstarmedicalllc.com. Type in Snap N Go or type in Fold and Go Scooter by Pride Mobility. And you can order these and we can ship these anywhere in the country, the continental United States. But I highly recommend if you get an opportunity to, you know, come into our store, try them out, see which one works best for you. You're going to have the ability to put these in the car, pick them up yourself, and do some things that you might not always get to do. But I hope you enjoyed us trying to show you the differences in the features that we have. And if you get a chance, give us a call at 615-730-9438. Thank you.